In bracket 7 plus 3 bracket complete minus 18 divided by 2. Use the rule of BODMAS. B brackets orders divided, multiplication, addition, subtraction, left to right. Seven plus 3 10 minus 18 is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2s are 9, 18. 10 minus 9 times 5 is equal to 10 minus 45 is equal to bigger number sign 35 minus 35 is the correct answer.